Welcome back to Livie's Lovelies, your inspirational craft channel, and I'm your host, Fam the Fabulous. For more ideas, inspiration, swaps, and challenges, click the link in the description below to join our craft community, the Maker Exchange, on Facebook. Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back, all my artists, creatives, crafters, and makers. Welcome back to the Lovely Lab. All right, guys, I know it's been a minute. I have not been on this camera crafting a lot lately, but fear not, stay tuned for the next video. It will be a in with the new challenge, using up our scraps to create something new and lovely. And I think you'll like this next one because I'm sure it's something everybody got lying around. Anyways, no, I just popped on real quick to share with you all the contents of this box. Now, this box came from Painting with a Twist in Greece, New York, which is a suburb of Rochester, New York, which is my hometown. And the box has come to me because this Saturday we are having a Painting with a Twist women's ministry party. So what it is that the women's ministry that I attend or I belong to, it meets the second Saturday of every month. And this particular Saturday we're going to, via Zoom, it's all virtual, we'll be doing a Painting with a Twist. So they shipped me my my kit, and the girls, you know, the women that are in Rochester, I'm sure they went by, picked them up. They might have been delivered. I don't know. I'm not sure if I'm just special because I'm out of state. But quite frankly, quite a few of the women are out of state. So if you're interested and if you're looking for a women's ministry, virtual women's ministry, comment below and I'll try and find a way to connect with you outside of YouTube. And yeah, anyways, so Painting with a Twist Greece. So let's see what they sent. This is my first time. Now, if y'all have seen me on this channel, you've heard me say, I'm quite sure, I don't paint and I don't draw. Because I don't do either of them. And now I do a little watercolor, but nothing that remotely resembles, you know, an actual image or figure. So I'm just saying, if you ever heard me say it, that's why, because that's not my thing. But I wanted to actually get involved in this one because I figure, you know, it's 2021. Let me try something new. Try my hand at it. And who knows, I might actually enjoy it. So let me just take out what's in here. And again, it's all going to be via Zoom. And we all get to hang out with one another. In our last, oh good God, they packed this baby home. I made sure it was going to get to Georgia. Okay, so in here, is the canvas. Boy, did they secure this sucker. They won't mess with it. Okay, bear with me, folks. I want to show you the size of it. I should have the scissors out. It's pretty decent. Oh. Oh, look at here. Okay, so let me move this box out of the way. So the kit comes with a, let's see, 20 by 16 inch canvas, and it already has an image on there etched out, if you can see it. Oh, this is going to be fun. Ooh. I'm sure I'll find a way to, you know, challenge myself. Okay, so it says, thank you for joining us for our live Zoom class. We're so excited to paint with you. Please keep the following in mind when setting up your workspace. Okay, so these are just the items to do. It tells us of our class time, the Zoom recording information, password, instructor's name, and this is an image of what we'll be working with. Ooh, that's lovely. That's lovely. And then they send the paints to go along with it. The shipping alone was probably the cost of the kit, just by the size of that box. They sent extra paper towels, napkins, acrylic paint. Oh, look at this. Okay, and so you got the solo cup, clear solo cups. Paintbrush. Oh, nice paintbrush. Oh, nice. So they send you these, that, and that. How nice is that? And then a couple of plates to catch you, and then some white paper to protect your workspace. So, anyways, I really am so excited to start this. So this will be doing this on Saturday at 1 o'clock, and I think it'll be for a couple of hours. But aside from the painting, I just enjoy the fellowship and the conversation with the other women. So if that's something that you guys are interested in, feel free to reach out to me. Also, my email is down in the description box, so I'll be happy to respond to any emails if you guys want to get more information on that. And with that being said, guys, I hope you have found something new to get into in this new year, something to challenge your creativity, something that will broaden your artistic horizons and keep you inspired and encouraged, right? Anyways, and I got some in the upcoming months I'll have some news to share, but so stay tuned. Anyways, the next video coming up will be the new what is it called, the in with the new challenge. So anyways, guys, stay tuned for that, and until we're back here together on YouTube, guys, stay encouraged, stay blessed, stay creative in crafting. Don't forget to wear those masks. Don't forget to wash your hands. Keep 6 feet apart from people you don't know. Sit down somewhere. I'm just kidding about that last part. But no, you gotta go, you gotta go. But, just stay safe. Because, I mean, I'd hate to not see y'all back here. Alright? So, anyways, take care of you. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Hit subscribe to join the crafty community, and be sure to click the bell for notifications of new uploads. Thank you so much for watching. Now stay tuned for more from Livie's Lovelies, your inspirational craft channel. Bye for now.